Welcome to our sneaker factory. Today, I'll show you how premium basketball shoes are made, from raw materials to high-performance sneakers worn by athletes.
Digital patterns ensure perfect accuracy, guiding the laser with incredible precision and efficiency. Every sneaker upper passes through dozens of precision stitching operations. Every sneaker undergoes rigorous inspection before shipment.
And that's how premium basketball sneakers are made, from raw materials to world-class footwear worn across the globe.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and manufacturing documentaries.